Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today I have for you a 2010 Bobcat T650 rubber track skid steer loader. This unit is powered by the Kubota 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This is not a Doosan engine, pre-admissions. The real deal, what everybody wants, Kubota powered machine. Just 2,090 hours. The machine is fully loaded. Cab, heat, air, power quick Tatch. Joystick control, a suspension seat with the suspension style seat that will follow you with the joysticks. AM, FM radio, MP3 input, keyless dash, power bob Tatch. Does have the wide track option on it here, we'll show you, which is an 18-inch wide track. And it does also have the roller suspension, which is a big deal on a rubber track skid steer today. But we're going to start, run, and work this unit, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. But I want to start you right back here in the engine compartment and show you all about it. So, under the hood of this machine, they will be powered by the V3307, which is a 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, very similar to what is run in the T300s, in the late model T300s currently. That is one of the best engines out there. I love that Kubota 3300 series engine. Very powerful, very, very reliable engine. I've had some of them with 5,000 and 6,000 hours on them. We've had it in the shop, serviced it, fuel, engine, hydraulics, air filters, everything is new and ready to go to work. Drives are 110% going through. All hub oils have been checked, actually changed. Door shuts nice. There was some paint touch-up on this machine. It's been done some time ago. We didn't do any, but we just want to point that out. A couple spots you'll see where some paint was touched up. Undercarriage-wise, I'm going to estimate it to be 75 to 85% plus, and I'll let it at that. It could, most people look at it and go, oh, it's better than that, but I just want to be 110% fair and honest here. There is not a single leak on this machine. We've been through it from one end to the other. I know what we have here. Very good running working machine. And you will see here, this is setting on the Bobcat roller suspension, which gives it a beautiful ride compared to your standard rigid frame. Up front, going to come with a brand new CID 80-inch low profile bucket, and that is in an extreme duty style. Have the 6-inch cutting edge, good heavy duty bucket. Power quick Tatch on the front, so you can interface with all your attachments out there today without ever leaving the seat of the machine. Up front, you have your auxiliary hydraulics with K-strain coupler, which you will need on some various attachments today. Also has your 7-pin attachment control device, if I can get my fingers to work. That is there if you'd want to hook up a power angle broom, snowblower attachment, various attachments like that offer and need the 7-pin connector. One thing I want to say, I spent some money on this machine and did an update, and I'm not going to lie to anybody. These two front cylinders had a leak in them whenever it came in here. Come to find out, it needed 2 updated cylinders from Bobcat to the tune of $2,100. I bought them, I put them on there. It was the only way I could fix the machine and be at 110% correct. So that's what we did. We like to spend our money in parts and service, not paint. And again, that's why I said that to you. Someone had touched some things up on this. I'm not hiding that. I'm not disputing it. But I didn't want to go through and touch anything up. I'd rather spend my money on parts and service. Well, you can see we've greased the machine 110% everywhere. I want to show you this side of the undercarriage so you see that it's matched. I'm going to take you up in the cab and I'm going to show you everything there. Before I get in, again, suspension style Bobcat seat with the seat that when you slide it, your controls are going to come right with you. So you're not trying to short arm running something. In the cab, are going to have your keyless dash. Okay, it's going to come up. I'm going to go ahead and start the machine. I just want to show you something here. We go over to active warnings. No active warning. Shows you there's no codes. Absolutely no codes. One other thing we're going to do. 1160 RPMs. 13.9 volts. That's showing that the door's open. Cell phone 9, that has to do with the operator, I believe, was in here. service recommendations off, and no error codes. I have had the code cleared out of this so that you can actually have someone put you a code in if you want. Here's also vitals. 1157 RPM, there's your oil pressure, water temperature, hydraulic temperature, charge pressure, and volts. So I'd like to show you this stuff. That way everybody knows I'm not hiding a single thing. Cab heat air selections down here, and boy does it ever have a heck of a heater. Air also works. We have checked that. This is 12-volt cigarette lighter, cup holder. Go ahead and shut it off. And it does have a selection of ISO, which is set up right now. Everything steers on this lever, and boom is on this lever. Now you can run it in what's called an H pattern, which is just like a case, where forward and reverse would be on both levers, and then boom up, boom down, curl and uncurl is on this lever. Something I will show you. This has snail mode, which you can push, and then you can speed it up to 99 or clear down to 0 to where it won't move. If you're fine grading, you'll want to use that. If you're an operator, I guess you don't. But it's a nice feature to have on the machine. So another thing I like in these new M-Series machines, how nice the windows slide, lock in place, easy to clean. The whole side section just pops right out and you can clean the whole thing. Really nice design. We're going to go ahead and turn the camera right back over. We'll fire this thing up. I'm going to run around, show you that it works. Watch him kill. Well, we hope you can see there from the video, the machine does start running work very, very nice. T650 is a nice size machine. Will work right alongside a T300. A lot of these very popular machines, you know, new today, there's 68,000 probably. But this is a roller suspension, 18-inch wide track option, power quick attach, completely loaded cab heat, air, everything you'd want. Any question on this machine, please let me know. I'll be glad to help in any way we can. We can be reached 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88, and as always, happy eBaying.